this video, I'm going to show you how to slice a 3D model to print using your Asterid Series 3D printer. So we're going to start by going to the Start button, going to All Programs. We're going to find the Plastic Scribbler directory, and then open up Printer Face. With Printer Face loaded, we're going to click on Settings and choose Slicing Settings. This is going to open up the program called Slicer. Alright, with Slicer open, you're going to start off on the Platter tab. Now we need to be in the Expert mode to do this. If you're not in Expert mode already, you go to File, Preferences, and next to Mode, just select Expert and then click OK. Since I'm already in Expert mode, I'm not going to do this. When you click OK and change from Simple mode to Expert mode, it will ask you to restart the Slicer. So if that's the case, go ahead and restart Slicer. Okay, so we're going to add a 3D model to print. So on the Platter tab, I'm going to select the button where it says Add. And I'm going to navigate to where I have my 3D models. In this case, I'm going to slice a cube. Well, it's not a cube, it's a rectangular block. It's 20 millimeters by 15 millimeters by 10 millimeters. So I'm going to select that file and then click on Open. So we can see that the representation of the model on the Platter tab here in the grid. And now we can select what kind of, how we want to slice it, which profile we want to use. So at the bottom of the Platter tab are 3 pull-down menus, and each of these menus has different profiles available. So you'll see Asterid Coarse, Asterid Fine, or Asterid Medium. The default profile will not work with the Asterid Series 3D printer, so do not select that one. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and slice them using the Asterid Coarse. So I'm going to do that for print and do that for filament as well. And I'm going to do that where it says printer. Alright, with the desired profile selected, I can go ahead and export my G-code now. So I'm just going to click on the button where it says Export G-code. It's going to ask me where I want to save it, what path, and the file name. And the current path is fine, the file name is fine, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. There'll be a progress bar here in the lower left corner, and then when it's done, it's going to say G-code file exported and tell you where it saved it at. And that concludes our video on how to slice your 3D model. Thank you for visiting, and we hope you found this video helpful.